Hello, welcome to this video. In this video, I am going to explain what is meant by property and what is meant by method of an object and how to differentiate property and method from the available intelligence drop-down. First, let me explain the object hierarchy, which consists of properties and methods. So first one is the application, second one is workbook, next worksheet, then we can find the range object. So let me explain how to identify properties and methods of these objects in VBA. Click on Developer tab, click on Visual Basic. Here I am inserting a module. Property is an attribute of object. Coming to method, it is an activity or action that object can do. So this is the difference between property and method. In property, attribute means name, address, font. Range object dot clear, select and copy. All these are methods of an object. All these are actions which is going to performed by the application. Now let me start with application object. Application dot. The moment when you place the dots operator, application displays intelligence in form of drop down. Here we can find all the available properties and methods of application object. Now let me explain how to identify the method from the available list. At the starting of the element, we can find two types of symbols. First one is green colored box and second one is one hand symbol. So all the elements which are started with green color box represents two methods, and the elements which consists of hand symbol represents two property. Application dot undo. So it is an action, hence it is termed as method. Application dot calculate. This is also an action, hence it is termed as method. Application dot quit. This is also termed as method. Now let me explain about properties of application object. Application dot display alerts equivalent to false. Application dot screen updating equivalent to false. Application dot sheets in new workbook equivalent to 3. So all these are attributes of application object. Now let me explain with workbook object. Dim WKB as workbook. Set WKB equivalent to active workbook. WKB dot activate. It is a method. WKB dot save. It is an action, hence it is termed as method. WKB dot close. WKB dot full name. wkb dot has password. It is a property. Next, let me explain with worksheet object. Dim sht as worksheet, set sht equivalent to active sheet, sht dot activate, it's a method, sht dot calculate, it's a method, sht dot copy, it's a method. Next, sht dot cells. Cells is the property of worksheet object. Sht dot comments. Comments also property of worksheet object. Like that, which denotes all the attributes of sheet object is termed as property. Sht dot name. Now let me explain with range object. Dim rng as range, set rng equivalent to range of a1 is to a25. rng dot activate is a method. rng dot add comment, it's an action, hence it is termed as method. rng dot advanced filter, it is an action. rng dot select. Next, let me explain the properties of range object. rng dot address, rng dot borders, rng dot column width. Column width is a property of range object. In this way, we can provide the segregation between properties and methods of an object. I hope this video is useful to everyone. Thanks for watching.